If you want to make sure your Word file is safely backed up and easy to access from anywhere, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up a Word document to OneDrive step by step, so you can protect your work, keep your files synced, and access them from another device whenever you need them. This is a simple method, but it's really useful whether you're working on school assignments, business documents, or personal files. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, either open an existing document that you want to back up, or create a brand new document if you're starting fresh. This works the same way for both, so you can use it on any Word file you already have. After your document is open, go up to the top left corner and click on File. This opens the main menu where you can manage your document settings, and from here, choose Save As. When you click Save As, Word will ask you where you want to store the file. This is the important part, because instead of saving it only on your computer, you're going to choose Microsoft OneDrive as the save location. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service, which means your document will be stored online and backed up securely. Once you select OneDrive, you may see different folders inside your account. Pick the OneDrive folder where you want the document to go. If you want to keep it organized, you can choose a folder for school, work, or personal files, depending on how you prefer to manage your documents. Next, enter the name of your document. Make sure the file name is clear and easy to recognize later, especially if you plan on backing up multiple Word documents. After that, click Save. Word will upload the document to OneDrive and create a cloud backup of your file. Once the save process is complete, your Word document is now backed up to OneDrive. That means even if something happens to your computer, your file is still safely stored online and can be opened again from OneDrive whenever you need it. You can also access it from another laptop, tablet, or phone as long as you sign in with the same Microsoft account. This is one of the easiest ways to protect important documents and make sure your work stays synced across devices. And that's it. You've now learned how to back up a Word document to OneDrive in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.